ọjọ́ ìbí ṣe pàtàkì ó ṣe kókó. ọjọ́ ìbí ṣe pàtàkì ó ṣe kókó. ẹni ọdún bàbá láyé ó yẹ kó ṣọpẹ́. ẹni ọdún bàbá láyé ó yẹ kó ṣọpẹ́.
Attaining 50 is synonymous with 5 decades of priceless life lessons, soul searching, and self-discovery. With every passing year, you've gained a deeper understanding of your true self, your unique strengths, and areas that require improvement. This self-knowledge often translates into an increased sense of confidence and self-assurance that only comes with turning 50. To exhibit this to the world and his creator, Oludare Taofeek Jeje, the Otungiwa Egbe Oba Mayegun Okunrin Akile Ijebu, rolled out the drum to celebrate himself.
Hey!
Ọ̀túngiwá ẹgbẹ́ Bọ́ba Máyégún ọkùnrin Akilẹ̀ Ìjẹ̀bú was not alone in the celebration of the milestone age that symbolizes half a century of his life experiences, achievements, and personal growth as families, friends, and well-wishers, including prominent Nigerians from home and abroad, came to celebrate him. Speaking on the Golden Jubilee birthday celebration, some guests viewed the celebrant from different angles.
The celebrant is Ọ̀túngiwá Jeje Taofeek. He's the Ọ̀túngiwá Egbe. He's the one that is my partner, and is also a founding member of the Egbe. We are here to celebrate him today because he has added his own quarter and is still doing it to the development of the Egbe. Ọ̀túngiwá is someone that we all cherish, we all adore, we all respect a lot. Despite the fact that he's one of the oldest members of the Egbe, he tries to, within the bounds of decency and responsibility, try to respect authority, and is also very down to earth. So we need him, and he's been available for us in the Egbe. So that's why you see a lot of us here to celebrate him today at 50. One of the things I personally has learned from him and still learning is the fact that anytime Ọ̀túngiwá Jeje is upset, we are all human. We get upset at things, but when he makes his noise, he stops there. Once you apologize to him, that's the end of it. You will never hear him say it after that moment. So this is not common. You don't see that every time. We see people that hold grudges. We see people that still say things that have happened years ago, long ago. But you will not hear him say that. Once it's done, it's done. Once he says, okay, that's fine, that's fine. So that's one strength that he has, and he has. We have been able to enjoy that part of him in the Egbe, because as the one in charge, because I don't stay around, so the responsibility of the Egbe naturally falls on him as the Ọ̀túngiwá. So anytime, of course, you have almost 250 members, so there's no way you will not say things, you will not hear things that will get you upset. So but he's been able to manage it. He's been able to condone people. He's been able to do his part towards the development of the Egbe, and I sincerely appreciate that about him.
I want to say that Lion Jeje is a kind lion. We call him one of a king in our region. He's our lion king. He's an administrator of our excellence. He's a unifier. He's an organizer, and he's a very blunt person. But behind that bluntness is what I call loyalty, dedication, and commitment. He's one of our lions that is very committed. For him, if not for him, Lionism might have died as far as Ijebu is concerned. Like some of us, when you feel tired that this thing that we've been doing for so many years, you want to back off. Lion Jeje is one of those people that will say, let's keep on doing it. That putting smiles on the faces of the less privileged is rewarding. According to Lion Jeje, he loves serving, he has served, he's serving, and he will continue to serve.
The celebrant is a friend that we have been together for at least 35 years by now. Jeje Taofeek is a very good fellow, a very good friend, a loyal friend. He is someone that can be counted on at any point in time. He is someone that when you send him on errand or when you ask him to do something for you, he will do it perfectly without any complaint, and he's someone that always wants progress for all his friends. If he sees any opportunity, he will call his friends. Are you interested in buying so? Are you interested in doing so? You know, he's a very good friend. He's a very good fellow. He's a very jolly fellow. I wish him many happy returns. I wish him success. I wish him joy, and I wish him all the good things of life.
The celebration they are doing today is not meant for that. We're supposed to celebrate him, but we are coming to that. All glory be to God, and we thank God that Oludare Jeje Taofeek is celebrating 50 years birthday. Oludare Jeje Taofeek is a very wonderful brother. We live as a brother. And when we are living at Mepe, they don't know whether this one is a senior brother. That's how our uncle trained us. We hold ourselves together as a Jeje family.
He's a solution provider.
Yes.
I was in US, I had problem with my electricity and I called him. Perfect, he did everything well. He's a solution provider. That's why you see everybody here celebrating him.
Mo ṣe region chair ṣáájú ẹ̀ nígbà yẹn ní Lions táwọn èèyàn bá ń lọ́bi káàkiri ní district báwọn fẹ́ jẹ pọ̀tọ́ jẹ́jẹ́ ní ìgbà tó bá máa yẹ ní ló máa kàn mí. Mo dẹ̀ fẹ́ sọ wípé nígbà tó kàn án ó yẹ we have never had a region chair like Taofeek in the Ìjẹ̀bú-Òde Lions Club. Kò kí ń jà fún ipò pé dandandandan mo fẹ́ jẹ́ báyìí. Ó jẹ́ ẹni tó gbàgbọ́ wípé irun oyè ó máa ń kú lórí èèyàn ni ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ a peace lobby president.
Jẹ́jẹ́ ọmọ kan tí ẹ pé ó ní respect fún elders is an epitome of humility and generosity. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe rí i, ó máa ń bínú lẹ́kọ̀ọ̀kan bọ̀ ìbínú ẹ̀ ibi tó bá ti bínú sí náà ìyàwó parí ẹ̀ sí. Ìdílé wa ni a lè máa ń bínú lọ ṣàkóso náà. Jẹ́jẹ́ jẹ́ ọmọ kan tó yẹ pé ó ń wà focus ó ní nǹkan tó máa ṣe síwájú ó máa ń ṣe fẹ́ pé àwọn òpè olùkọ́ is a person of vision. Jẹ́jẹ́ jẹ́ ẹnìkan tó yẹ pé ó wà very hardworking very industrious person tẹ̀bá close mọ́ dáadáa ó wà very industrious ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ good visa ó máa ń tètè mix pẹ̀lú àwọn èèyàn délé ẹni ìgbà tó bá dé láì tètè mix ó jẹ́ nìkan tó yẹ kó fẹ́ràn ìtò púpọ̀ ó máa ń tó tó bá dé tó bá ẹ máa ń gbé jẹ́jẹ́ wà fẹ́ ó máa tó fẹ́ pé àwọn máa ń gbé jẹ́jẹ́ ó máa jẹ́ kí ọkọ̀ wọ̀ ọ́ lára.
Chief, kí ni kò fi kú kí ni kò yọ kúrò fẹ́.
So ó máa ń tó máa ń fẹ́ kí ó máa gbọ́ music tó bá ti gbọ́ music ó lè ti tó yẹn fún ọ̀tẹ̀lẹ̀ sọ ó máa tó yẹn lọ. Ó ṣe rí ẹ máa fẹ́ràn obìnrin o.
Sá
ẹ lè ṣe pẹpẹ o.
Láti ìgbà tó ti darapọ̀ mọ́ Ìjẹ̀bú-Òde club ni a ti rí àǹfààní ẹ̀ láti ń jẹ ọlá ẹ̀ láti ń jẹ àǹfààní ẹ̀ ló ti wúlò fún wa ló ti nawọ́ sí ló ti dá sí ìyípadà rere gbogbo tó wà ní Ìjẹ̀bú-Òde club tá à ń rí lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Ẹni tí wọ́n ń pè ní Jẹ́jẹ́ ó yà mí lẹ́nu nígbà tí mò ń gbọ́ wípé ó ní inú fùfù ni bóyá inú fùfù ẹ̀ yẹn bóyá láàrin ẹgbẹ́ ẹ̀ ló ti ń ṣe nítorí pé tó bá ti wọnú Ìjẹ̀bú-Òde club orúkọ yẹn máa ń rò ó máa ń ṣe jẹ́jẹ́ ni.
In their show of solidarity, his colleagues from office with Jeje Cubana at 50 Identity also joined in the celebration. The quinquagenarian Lion Otungiwa Oludare Taofeek Jeje recognized and appreciated. Synonymous with birthday ceremony is cake cutting, which was not left out as conducted.
Ọ̀túnba orí adé sá ẹ máa bọ̀ ń bí sá. Ká tó gé àkàrà yẹn màá fẹ́ ṣe àdúrà kékeré fún ọ̀rẹ́ mi. A ṣe 60. Amen. A ṣe 70. Amen. A ṣe 80. Amen. A ṣe 90. Amen. A ṣe 100. Amen. Àlàáfíà dẹ̀. Àmín. Àtẹ̀jọ́ máa ṣe pẹ́pẹ́ náà ni. Amen. agbára ọlọ́run ẹnìkankan ò ní ṣẹ́kù nínú wa.
sowó ẹ̀dínlẹ̀ tó jẹ́ pípẹ́lẹ́ ló ń pẹ́lẹ́ sí.
lẹ́yìn la fi máa gé kéèkì léde nìyẹn.
ó parí wọ́n lé advantage.
tí n bá ti sọ pé ní orúkọ ti bàbá sọ pé ní orúkọ ti ọmọ bá sọ pé ní orúkọ ti ẹ̀mí mímọ́.
ẹ jẹ́ kí gbogbo wa ká darapọ̀ pẹ̀lú bàbá nígbà tí a fẹ́ gé àkàrà òyìnbó ní ìsàmì àjọ̀dún 50 ọdún Olúdáre Muhammadu.
ní orúkọ ti ọmọ
àti ní ti ọmọ
àti ní ti ẹ̀mí
àti ní ti ẹ̀mí mímọ́.
I wish you happy birthday. Many, many, many happy returns. I wish you happy birthday.
The celebrant and his family, joined by other well-wishers thereafter, took to the dance floor to entertain guests.
Thank you.